You were not taught PEMDAS the right way. Let me show you why. The question is 18 divided by 3 times 2 minus 5 then plus 4. Most people rush to solve this and they get it wrong. When you are using PEMDAS does not mean that you do multiplication before division. It means that when multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. And when subtraction and addition appear together, you also solve from left to right. So PEMDAS means parenthesis, exponent, then M and D they are together and A and S they are together. They are on the same hierarchy. So that means that when solving this, you don't multiply first because multiplication appear first in the formula. So now what we have to do is to divide first. Let's first see what will happen if you multiply first.
Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where we break down tricky math concepts into clear, step-by-step lessons you can understand in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
If you multiply first, that means you'll be having 18 divided by 3 times 2 will give 6. Then that will be minus 5 plus 4. So that means this will give 3 minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4. And when some other people are solving this, they still go ahead to add before they subtract by saying 3 minus 9, and this will give negative 6, which is wrong. And also if you say 3 minus 5, that's negative 2, then plus 4, you will get 2, which is also wrong. So when multiplication and division appear together, like I said, you solve from left to right. Same thing applies to addition and subtraction. So now let's solve it the right way. We divide first. Let's write the question out first. We have 18 divided by 3, then times 2 minus 5 plus 4. Now let's solve from left to right. Since division appear first, we divide first. So this gives 6 times 2, then minus 5 plus 4. Then we know we are supposed to multiply before adding or subtracting. So this becomes 12. So we have 12 minus 5 plus 4. Now that subtraction and addition are appearing together, we also have to solve from left to right. So this gives 12 minus 5. This gives 7. Then we say 7 plus 4. And the answer will be 11. So the correct answer to this PEMDAS question is 11. If you get any other answer, then you are wrong. Now, to be sure that you understand what I just explained, try this and let me know what you get in the comments. If you think what I said is wrong, still let me know in the comments, and also try this and leave your answer in the comments.